Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or change profile picture on Zoom Workplace. So here we go. This is the Zoom Workplace. You need to install this app first, or you can open from the website, but I prefer install this software on my system on Windows 11. This is the Zoom Workplace. So in order to change or add profile picture, you can click this profile on your app here at the top of your screen. Click it. Here you can click on settings, not profile this, but click first on the settings and try to search the profile. So here, this is where you can change your profile picture. Here there is a pencil icon. You can click it and click change picture and try to search the picture from your directory. So feel free to try to change or add profile picture for your Zoom app, Zoom Workplace in your PC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.